find yourself, think for yourself. Plato. Plato is saying that you truly understand who you are only when you stop copying others and begin to form your own thoughts, beliefs, and decisions. If you always follow what others say, think, or expect, then your identity is shaped by them, not by you. 2. Find yourself means knowing your values, knowing what you believe, knowing what you want in life. And you can discover that only by thinking independently, not blindly following the crowd. Examples. 1. Career choice example. Everyone in Ria's family wants her to become an engineer. But Ria loves art and wants to be a designer. If she simply follows her family's expectations, she is living someone else's life. But when she thinks for herself, about what makes her happy and fulfilled, she finds her true path. Independent thinking helped her find her real identity. 2. Friendship and peer pressure example. Rahul's friends start smoking. They tell him it's cool and pressure him to join. If he follows them without thinking, he will lose his values. But if he thinks for himself and says, "This is not right for me," he discovers his strength and character. He finds who he really is by not blindly following others. 3. Social media example. Social media shows certain beauty standards, lifestyles, and opinions. If Asha keeps imitating what she sees, how to dress, what to like, what to say, she will become a copy of others. When she stops and thinks, "What do I truly like? What do I believe?" she begins to discover her real self. 4. Workplace example. At work, everyone supports an idea that Amir feels is not beneficial. He thinks it over and expresses a different perspective politely. This independent thinking shows his real voice and confidence. 5. Moral example. A group of people mocks a student in class. Most join in without thinking. But one student reflects and chooses kindness instead of cruelty. That moment reveals her true character. In summary, Plato means don't allow society, friends, or family to define you. Use your mind to understand what is right and meaningful for you. Independent thinking leads you to your true self. 6. Education example. Mira's classmates choose science because they believe it offers the best jobs. Mira, however, loves literature and wants to study English. When she thinks for herself and follows her passion, she discovers her real strengths and identity. If she had copied others, she would have lost herself.